5 Best Cordless Stick Vacuum for Hardwood Floors Reviews. Number 1. Shark Iron F80. The first item on our list is the Iron F80 vacuum from Shark that has a stellar record of doing the job perfectly, whether it is on thick carpets or on your beloved hardwood floors. The Shark Iron F80 is versatile and flexible, made for reaching into all the nooks and crannies of your home without adding extra strain to you. The Shark Iron F80 is equipped with multi-flex technology that bends the wand. This makes it easy to reach under furniture like couches and shelves, and also into corners. The vacuum can also switch into a handheld vacuum simply at the push of a button so that you can clean up and down the walls with ease. Number 2. Tenko A11 Hero. This vacuum is a beautiful piece of machinery that is equipped with specifications that make it more than just a pretty face. It is sleek with a crystal body, and lightweight so that you can move around the house cleaning with confidence. The Tenko A11 has a powerful motor that provides maximum suction power to enable you to clean all types of debris from your stairs and hardwood floors. The 450 watts motor can provide up to 120 watts of power to deep clean your hardwood floors for up to half an hour without completely draining the batteries. On normal cleaning mode, the vacuum can run for up to an hour without the batteries needing a recharge. Number 3. Miele M Cordless 4-in-1 Vacuum. Another powerful piece of machinery comes from Miele M. It gives you maximum cleaning power for the longest possible time without needing a recharge. It is meant for cleaning hardwood floors, carpets, stairs, couches, curtains, and car seats. The Miele 4-in-1 vacuum is made to clean a range of surfaces, from hardwood floors to thick carpets, marble floors, curtains, and blinds, desk and table surfaces, as well as car seats. The vacuum has a motorized brush for cleaning all types of floors. This enables steaming and clearing of stains. There is also a dusting brush meant for drier cleaning and scooping up of dirt. Number 4. Dyson Cyclone V10. This is one of the most powerful stick vacuums out in the market, and the Dyson Cyclone V10 has gone through many tests in order to claim this spot. With powerful features to support it even, you will see that the Cyclone V10 is one of the best cordless stick vacuums for hardwood floors. The Cyclone V10, as its name suggests, is fitted with Dyson's powerful V10 digital motor that powers it through 3 cleaning modes. The first mode is a non-motorized mode which cleans using the 14 concentric cyclones featured on the vacuum without sucking. Number 5. Aromatech Cordless Vacuum. This highly versatile vacuum from Aromatech provides eco-capabilities that maximize battery life so that the vacuum can be used over a large space without needing a recharge. It is also made so that your floors are not only clean but also protected. This vacuum comes with 6 powerful LED lights that light the way ahead for you as you clean, whether it is under those dark spaces under the furniture or in dark corners in the house. It also features a lithium-ion battery of 2200 mAh capacity that guarantees you up to half an hour of cleaning without needing a recharge.